says, my able senator, clearly explain how you are going to handle the issues of land and the drug menace in Lamu County.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, issues. Thank you so much. First, for the compliments and the comment, for the positive comment, I say thank you so much. Issue about land and drugs, menace, starting with land. Definitely, there should be a forensic audit of all the land assets and the reserved natural lands for the people. That's number one. Forensic audit will be the good safer side on it. Issue about drugs. Actually, my office is going to work collectively with all the security agents to come with a parallel way so that to ensure starting with the small fish, the big fish, or any other fish that is associated with the drug menace, that law and regulation.
How bad is the drug menace in Lamu County?
Actually, it's on its worst because there's 60% of drug peddling, like 80% of the youths, basically from Lamu town, to be precise, and Lamu East, that are being affected directly by the drug usage.
All right.
Actually, there's a case scenario starting from my family too. I've affected cousins. 3 of them have been affected directly by drug.
Your family members.
So it affects me directly, and it's a concern to me, not just starting from the family side of it, but starting from the vision and the youth perspective. Actually, there are a lot of youths, not just Lamu alone. Kilifi, if you look on it, Tana River, Kwale, and Mombasa, they're being affected.
They've been affected. All right, we'll continue the conversation. Quite a number of other questions have come out in regards to, your campaign. Will be putting them to you in a few minutes. But for now, though, we want to just take a look at what's happening in the business world. We still have our guest here in studio, but let's just do this first. All right, we continue with our coverage. And the Kenya Revenue Authority has commissioned newly installed cargo scanners at the port of Mombasa. Now, these scanners will boost the capacity to scan cargo from about 500 containers per day to 750 containers, representing 30% increase of all cargo meant for home use. These scanners include 2 fixed and 1 mobile unit at the Kilindini port. KRA